Hello, welcome. Today we are visiting Arjen, and Arjen and I want to show today what the dangers are of compact fluorescent lights, CFL bulbs, as we can see here. So right now it's off and there's no light noise slash dirty electricity because I have my AM radio with me and it's tuned on AM. And as we hear, okay, this is the sound of the screen of the smartphone. But as we hear, there is no background noise. Now, Arjen, would you be so kind to switch on the light? And can you switch it off? And can you switch it on again? Yes, switch it off. So, what we can clearly hear is that there is a disturbance. And as a wise man once told me, the human body is an antenna, because we're also made of minerals. So, to be near a light source like this is not recommendable. I hope that you learned something today. I hope that you will replace your lights. And I would like to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.